Hey everybody, and welcome back to Karlova Design channel. And here is a free pattern for you. I've never had a pincushion, so I decided to make a very simple one, and it would be weird to take any money for it since it's a very basic, and it's probably a perfect project for a beginner. The pattern is designed for 5mm stitching irons, and it is available in A4 and US letter formats. You can use your scraps for it. I'm going to use a piece of 2mm chrome tan, and this is about 3 ounces crazy horse. This is some foam for the cushion, and this is some canvas. You can use any fabric you'd like. So let's begin. I forgot to mention that the link to the pattern you can find in the description, and I'd recommend to browse my website because you can find a lot of exciting projects that you cannot find anywhere else. The thickness of the leather may vary, and all I can say that we need some stiffness for the sides, and the bottom should be softer than the sides, so we avoid the mushroom effect. Taking care of the edges is recommended. Just stitch the bottom to the side all the way around. Stitch the side together with any kind of stitching you like. I'm gonna be using parallel stitching. You can use cross stitch or baseball stitch. Now take this piece of fabric and stitch it all around the edge with the stitch length about 1/4 of an inch. Now let's take that foam and put it inside. You can use any filling or stuffing material that you have on hand. I believe anything would work okay here. I'm gonna first check if it fits, and then I'm gonna put it inside our little fabric bag and then tighten the thread. And then just stick that dumpling inside at the base. You don't even have to use any glue or anything. Of course you can if you want to, but I don't think it's necessary. It's holding quite well if there is enough stuffing. So feel free to like, share, subscribe and comment, and stay on the channel to see all the future projects, and the new free patterns are coming as well. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.